Hello friends, today we are in Tikala zone. Yeah, today's vlog is going to be a very much interesting as I am sharing you the major changes happen in Tikala zone dormitory. Yes, dormitory of Tikala zone, which is one of the famous staying spot for bachelors, even for the groups. Half of the renovation is already done, so let's go and check what new things are happening, what major changes are done. But before moving forward, if you still not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe. My channel name is Honey Ali. So guys, come and take a round. This is a reception. There is no major changes in this building apart from the whitewash. Yeah, one major change is there at reception area. They restructure or you can say renovate the washrooms. Before going forward, let's meet our guide Mr. Sanjay Rana. Hi Sanjay. In front of us, there are different villas, FRI, FRH quarters are there. You will see most of the quarters are well maintained and repainted. Because we booked the dormitory, so we don't have the access to go inside the rooms. But you can get a feel from outside here itself. A lot of things are happening, changes are there in these areas also. Now we reach to the point, which one is the favorite one? There is a small canteen. Basically, this canteen is for the drivers, helpers, and the staffs. But we can also enjoy here a Maggie, tea, coffee, bread omelette. So, if you don't want to get expensive lunch, you can come here and spend some money and fill your tummy. This building is of library and straight forward there are the ladies toilet washrooms are there. So that is our target or point. So friends, we reached to our place of stay, dormitory. Looks beautiful now. The building looks newly painted and the green old gates are also changed, and you will find a new gate which looks better. Interior looks same but newly painted. All the cushions look replaced. The pillows are also looks new. Bed sheets and blankets are also looks of better quality. So we can thought of it that in the midnight we didn't find the air coming from the holes because the repair is already done. But really, to stay in a dormitory is a different feel and we enjoy a lot. Wardrobe is also painted, the hooks and locks are repaired, walls, a new fan is also there, so might be you can feel much better because in past the mosquitoes not allow you to sleep until unless you use the Odomos or something. So guys, this is a new look of the dormitory. There's a washroom attached to it. It's a little bit same, not much difference. Now come and see the most challenging part of washroom. Yes, this is a big surprise. They have done a lot of changes. Thanks Forest team to make these things better because whoever stay in past in dormitory they suffer a lot while using the washrooms. Well renovated, new sinks are there, tiles are there. Gates are also look changed. In place of wooden gates, they put a iron gates. Might be easy to use and to lock in compared to past. So guys, this is looks better, or you can say we never thought of it. So much changes we can find. So guys, now you can plan to come to the Dikala Incident Dormitory, because all the hurdles, all the problem, or we can say most of the problems are resolved and solved. Now let's go towards one more area which is supposed to be going to be renovated. That is area is auditorium. Yes, very few people knows in past it called to be a auditorium area, and food is also served here itself. This is the area which is totally fenced, electric fencing are there. In the night, if you come in this side, you will find deer, sambars. This is the old canteen area. Now they are doing renovation. Adjacent to the canteen area, there is a washroom area which gives you natural feels, and you will find lot of work is going on here. We think when we come in 2020 last in November, when the zone reopens, we will find a beautiful auditorium. This area here, the fencing always you will find baked, so in the night mostly deers are come from this side. If you want to do adventure in night inside the campus, then you can plan to come in this area. You will find a lot of deers and sambars in night in this area. So guys, this is our auditorium which is very soon going to be renovated, and we can again enjoy the movies. So guys, hope you can find this vlog interesting and useful. If you're planning to come to the Dikala and need any help, please ping me, message me. I feel very happy to support you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.